Understanding Outlook Projection, a guide to future predictions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that often pops up in business, research, and everyday conversations: outlook projection. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own discussions. Let's get started. First, let's dissect the phrase outlook projection into two parts: outlook and projection. Outlook refers to our expectations or predictions about the future based on current trends or data. It's like looking through a window into the future, trying to guess what the weather will be like. Projection, on the other hand, involves extending current trends into the future to make predictions or estimates. It's like drawing a path on a map, predicting where you'll end up based on the direction you're currently heading. When combined, outlook projection is about using current information and trends to make educated guesses about future events, conditions, or performance. Understanding outlook projection is crucial for several reasons. 1. In business, companies use outlook projections to plan their strategies, finances, and operations. It helps them prepare for future opportunities and challenges. 2. In personal planning, individuals can use outlook projections for personal financial planning, career development, and even planning life events. 3. In public policy, governments and organizations make policy and investment decisions based on economic and environmental outlook projections. Let's put outlook projection into context with some real-life examples. A company might release an earnings outlook projection, estimating how much profit they expect to make in the next quarter. Meteorologists use weather outlook projections to warn us about potential storms or heat waves. Economists provide economic outlook projections to predict future economic conditions, like unemployment rates or GDP growth. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding outlook projection. We hope this video has illuminated how these predictions shape decisions in business, personal life, and policy. Remember, while outlook projections are based on the best information available, the future can always bring surprises. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Stay curious and keep learning.